Hello, yet we are back. This is your guy Protons, and today I want us to learn inline and inline and internal styling. So we are going to be doing two things, that's internal styling and inline styling. Many people confuse these two, but they are totally different. So I create my folder here. I name it HTML. Then I will also need CSS. Then I create a CSS folder. Then in this HTML folder, I can create a file, maybe homepage.html. Then I can create another file also, like maybe applications.html. So let me write something in the home page. So here, maybe for reference, let me type in something simple here that we are going to be basing on, something that we are going to be referencing to. That. Then also here maybe just like that. Then now let us look at what these things really are. Maybe I can make this a bit bigger so that we be able to see it clearly. So I just cut and paste here. Okay, so we want to see the difference, what is inline and what is external styling. So here, inline styling, it means that the kind of style you want to use, you're going to use it in the same line of code. And there you shall be using this kind of tag or attribute or whatsoever you may call it. It is called style. So you come in this opening tag. So now I want to style the body. This paragraph I've written in the body, as you can see here in the preview. This paragraph I have written in the body. So I want to style it. I want to change its color, maybe, or the background color. So I come here in body, leave a space, that will be style equals, it will open quotations automatically. Now assuming I want to change the background color. So maybe I want to change it to brown. You see, it has changed. Maybe that's too light. Maybe I can make it a bit lighter, or I can even change it to blue, something like that. Maybe, you see that? So that is inline styling. Maybe I wanted to change the color of this text, so that will be just color. And of course, if I change, let us preview again. I just want to change the color. So the color will be, maybe I want the text to be blue, so that will be blue. And of course, if I preview here, oh, why is there a bug? Yes, so that is blue. I see that is inline. I write the style which I want within the same line of code. This is code 8. It is having the opening tag of the body, and I want to change the styling in the body. So what you do, you just leave a space, type style, it will automatically bring the quotations, and then you do whatever you want. Then having done that, let us also see the internal styling. So for internal styling, if you are well conversant with the structure of an HTML document, you just come here in the head, then you will be using this tag called style, because it is the tag that you will always be using for styling. So that will be style. Then here, what exactly, then you start writing the code. Now what exactly do you want to style? You want to style the body, so you write the body, and then you open the curly brackets. After opening the curly brackets, maybe you want to change the background. That will be background color. See that? And maybe you want it to be green. Background color, maybe you want it to be green, like that. So let us preview and see. You see, it has changed. So that is the difference. Maybe you wanted to change just color, then you leave out the word background, so it will be the word to change. You can adjust in whichever way you want. So those are the two differences between inline styling and internal styling. For internal styling, the commands or the prompts are written in the head, in the midst of the tag called style. Then for inline styling, the styling is done within the same line of code, but inside the opening tag. Thank you. If it's your first time and you feel this content is useful to you, feel free to subscribe. Thank you. It's your guy Protons.